How to buy GSONIK, the green Sonic token. So before we start, this is not financial advice. I'm not professional or economic expert. So before investing in any project that you find on my channel, please do your own research. Now before going and buy this token, make sure to check the Direct account and keep following the updates about this token. Now after that, what you need to do, just go and find the index screener. It's available there. If you don't have an account, just go and create one. Now after that, as you can see, this token came under Solana network and the liquidity are locked by 100%. That's mean your investment in a safe place. Now after that, what you need to do is just copy the token address as you can see and go and open your Phantom wallet. Now after that, click on swap here and make sure you have enough Solana on your wallet and click here and paste the token address. After that, select your token like that and type here how much you want to buy. Wait a few seconds. As you can see, this is how much you receive that token. Select the provider, for example Jupiter, and make sure to read all of that information from here. And after that, click on swap and you will be redirected to Jupiter provider page to be able to buy this token. If you face any issues, just go back to this page and switch the slip hash from here or custom it, and you will be able to buy after that this token without any issue. So this is how to buy the GSONIK token. If you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe. See you in the next video.